Mucemanio wa muthenya wa keri uraroretwo iguru ta ikinya ria mbere ria kuhorohia njatukano iria ikoretwo igithegea kiama-ini kia Jubilee. Njatukano icio ikirikana ati irathugundwo ni mito ya munini wa president ya mwaka wa 2022 oriri kuratuika ati he atongoria amwe thirikari-ini matarenda kagayo thamaki kuma kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta na ndumeri erigiceirie uiguithanio wa ngeithi cia President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga.
Mumetuita wiki hii katika PG yetu tukiwa wabunge wa Senate na National Assembly ili tukae pamoja tujadiliane ni jinsi gani tunavyoweza kuleta umoja zaidi katika chama chetu.
Tuhakikishe kwamba tumeketi tuelewane kwamba mambo ya oversight tutafanya namna gani, mambo ya big four tutapeleka namna gani. That is how you can be able to move a country better than any.
We cannot operate on the basis of threats, of blackmail, of arrogance. That is both by the people who may be speaking out of turn and even ourselves as the leadership of the party.
Anjumbe a Jubilee makiria ria manyitaga mbaru munini wa president makirikana ati marendaga guthingiriria kiama kieherie nganja cia gukahe Ruto tigiti wa Jubilee hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 na matemanirio ndemwa kwa ndemwa uiguithanio wa ngeithi. No anjumbe acio ni mekomba gwetangirira thutha wa mucemanio ucio gukanjwo.
I'm able to confirm that there will be no Jubilee Party parliamentary group meeting tomorrow, and any media reports to the contrary have no basis and therefore essentially just speculation.
Oriri atongoria amwe makoretwo makiuga ati kwina mugayukano munene thiini wa Jubilee. Mwandiki munene aroiga ati o mumemba araina wihokeku wake kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake, ona gutuika aroiga ati gutingiaga mionere ya maundu na mirugamo etahanaine.
I would like to assure members of the Jubilee family that there is nothing even remotely close to a crisis in the party. In the next few weeks, the party will be announcing its various party strengthening programs.
Mutongoria wa rege mbunge-ini ya bururi Eden Duale aroiga ati ndahetwo notithi ya mucemanio wothe toria mutaratara wagirire gukorwo ri niguo athe muhiuria wa mucarica Benjamin Washeli atigirire ati ambunge othe ni mathie mucemanio tocio. No Duale erite Inooro TV ati mucemanio ucio ni ugutabanio kiumia-ini giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru Wanyabura.